next up, we're going to talk about the GPS broadcast and export capability. So this is something that's at the router level. It's not necessarily part of In Control 2. So we're going to log into this particular router. And you can see on the balance models that have GPS capability, it's under the network tab. On the max models, it's under the advanced tab. So the tree on the left is going to look the same depending on the product, but to get there again, it's either the network or the advanced tab, and then you'll see GPS forwarding over here on the bottom left. And so if you check this box, it gives you a lot more options. So you can punch in different devices, IP addresses, or host names that you want to be able to send this GPS feed over to so that they can listen in and use for their own purposes. So again, CAD applications that run in the vehicles, any sort of mapping, routing applications that agencies are running in their mobile data terminals. These are all examples of systems that you might use this functionality with. So it could be that you're sending that stream to a device that's local in the vehicle, or you could be relaying this information to an external CAD system's kind of central view so that your dispatch center could get more of a zoomed out view of all their different vehicles out in the field. So those are two examples of systems that you might use this feature with. But again, in any case, you can just type in whatever CAD system that might, whatever URL that may be, or whatever IP address that may be. If it's an external system, we're just going to make up a port number. And then you can tell it how often you want to send the GPS stream over to it. Now you can also do broadcast addresses, multicast addresses. So if you've got an address, for example, you can just, if you've got a software system that listens for this via broadcast, you can do that on the local network that way. You've got lots of formatting options. So you can use NMEA or TAIP, and with each one comes some respective options. So I am not the most authoritative on all the nuances of these different GPS sentence types, but public safety users will definitely be familiar with these. And there's lots of different little nuances that we've added over the years, specifically to the request of public safety agencies that needed those features and functionality. So definitely don't hesitate if you don't see something in here that you need for your specific application. Let us know. It's often quite easy to keep adding different little capabilities to that. It looks like I wasn't showing my screen when I started that, so I'll show you guys that here again. Here at the top, we've got the different servers that you're sending this information to. It could be unicast if you call out a specific IP or host name, or you could do a broadcast IP. And again, you've got your different report formats to pick from. If we choose TAIP, you'll see that, again, the sentence types change. But again, most people are going to find this very familiar. They're going to know which report format and sentence type their system is looking for or configured to use. So again, very flexible, very easy to integrate with those types of applications.